Hi, today I'm gonna show you how I make my pasta bolognese. So simple and very delicious. So stay with me and let's get cooking. No. Carrots done. Now it's same thing with celery and the same thing with the onion. Let's go. And now the onion. Oh, but try these fucking onions. Also, we're gonna need a couple of bay leaves. You can make your own tomato sauce, but I'm using tomato passata, which is really good. Be generous with the salt when you're seasoning your pasta water. For me, oil in the water for the pasta does not too much, but I just put it for extra. I don't know. It's a habit. For the pasta, I'm gonna be using rigatoni. I don't know. I really like this. Before you put anything in here, you need to render your mince properly. Render the fat, start searing, start getting the crust. And after you go in with your onions, carrots, celery, bay leaf, everything else, and then cook it down. Break up your mince so you're gonna end up with lumps in your bolognese sauce. It's important. You can actually season with salt already. Don't cause any issues. So hey, salt will actually help to extract any water content from the mince. So it's good. The bay leaves. I kept some pasta water, and in the pasta water I'm gonna dissolve one beef stock cube and add it to my pasta sauce, bolognese sauce. Right, that's now done. That's it. Let's serve.